Hi guys, it's me, Teresa Perrin. I just wanted to bring you an update because LOTZ and Shift are planning to merge by the end of this year, and it's some very exciting news. Please know that anything I say is not financial advice and always do your own DD. I'm going to show you the information that was announced after hours today. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Okay, guys, so Shift Technologies said that they were going to acquire Car Lots in an all-stock deal. Here's the details. Shift Technologies said Tuesday it'll acquire Lots in an all-stock deal, sending Lot shares soaring, up 35%, and Shift shares up 10% in the aftermarket trade. I'm going to show you in a minute where they stand at the current time of this video recording. But Lot shareholders are expected to receive 0.692158 Shift shares for each Lot's share. So as Shift and Lot's trade exchange prices, then the amount of that can change. And I'll explain that in just 1 second. So let's say Lots starts trading much higher than Shift. You'll see what's going to happen. An actual exchange ratio will be adjusted at closing based on Shift's issued and outstanding shares relative to Lot's shares prior to effective date of merger. Based on expected exchange ratios, Shift shareholders will own 52.9% of the combined firm, and Lot shareholders will own 47.1%. The combined firm is projected to have $125 million of cash if the deal closes at the end of 2022. The combined company will continue to trade on NASDAQ under the ticker SFT, which is currently Shift Technologies ticker, guys. The merger will consolidate Shift's proprietary acquisition engine, technology platform, and strong presence on the West Coast with Lot's consignment relationships and prime retail locations in the Mid-Atlantic region. The deal is expected to close in Q4. Shift also said it's transitioning to a new business plan focusing on transacting most sales through its most profitable online checkout channel. It also includes temporarily eliminating test drives. The plan is expecting to allow Shift to reach positive unit economics in 2023 and company-wide profitability in 2024. Shift is optimizing inventory mix and assortment to favor value vehicles, which it defines as older than 8 years or haven't been driven 80,000 miles. These operational changes will result in job cuts across the businesses and rationalization of Shift's physical footprint. Shift also said its co-founder and CEO, George Arison, will step down. Arison, who will continue to serve as chairman, will be succeeded by Shift president Jeff Clements, effective September 1st. And Shift announced their Q2 results, as did Lots, which I think they strategically planned to both do it today, guys, in order to let shareholders know what was going on at the same time. All in all, I'm very excited about this merger, and I think it's going to be great for both companies because both companies have been struggling economically, and they've also been struggling to maintain value to its shareholders. Look at how much both companies have dropped. I think we're going to see that as a combined force, they're going to be a lot stronger, and I think you're going to see the share price rise. Now, I want to show you another article real quickly, and then I want to get into what's happening with the share prices in after hours because I think you should definitely add these to your watch list tomorrow. Okay, guys, what I wanted to show you was just the earnings of both companies real quick. So Shift Technologies Q2 earnings, they had a loss of 64 cents per share, and the adjusted for non-recurring costs and severance costs were 59 cents per share. They reported a loss of a total of 52.2 million in their second quarter. And this did not meet Wall Street's expectations. The average estimate of the analyst surveys was for a loss of 56 cents per share, so it was slightly more. The company posted revenues of 223.7 million in the period, which also fell short of the street's forecasts of 234 million. Shift Tech expects full year revenues in the range of 690 million to 710 million, guys. And now I'm going to show you LOTZ. So LOTZ had a quarter two EPS of 0.31, which missed the negative 25 cents estimate, and sales of 76.5 million, which beat the 71.5 million estimate. LOTZ reported quarterly losses of negative 31 cents per share, which missed the analyst consensus estimate of negative 25 cents per share by 24%. This is a 416.67% decrease over losses of negative 6 cents per share from the same quarter last year. The company reported quarterly sales of 76.5 million, which beat the analyst consensus estimate of 71.5 million by 6.99%. And this is a 50.69% increase over the sales of 50.77 million for the same period last year. So, Shift earnings, let's be honest, they were both misses, and LOTZ was a mix. Guys, I'm telling you, once you put these two powerhouses together, I think anything's possible. Just look at the share price of both of them. Here's Shift, and this is where I think they got the breakdown or the conversion of share price and how they're doing it, okay? So based on close of today, Shift closed at $1.28. And the high was $14, and I can't tell if this is 1 cent or 91. I think it was $14.91 was the all-time high for Shift. And the all-time low was 60 cents. Well, 0.6025 to be exact. And currently, they've doubled from that low, thank goodness, to $1.28, guys. But it's still very, very far down, as a lot of stocks are, from all-time highs. Now, take a look at LOTZ. Guys, see, their all-time high was 12.9, which is why I think that they're getting slightly less of the combined company based on that alone. I don't know, if that's what the ultimate plan is, but as you can see, they were down today to 56 cents, but in the after hours rose up to 73 cents. And I did out the math calculation, and it came to I want to say 92 cents or something based on whatever Shift's price was when I calculated it. But guys, you can go back and calculate it yourself and see, because right now I'm going to say LOTZ is a steal if they continue to rise together, because it's still undervalued by approximately 20 cents compared to the merger price of the deal. That was at the time, which I think it was up to 138 or 140 when I had calculated it out, and then it fell back down to 128. So it might be slightly under that right now. But as you can see, look at it tomorrow morning, what it's traded at, because there might be opportunity to, scalp a little bit here. And they may both continue to run tomorrow, which I wouldn't be surprised, because I think other people are going to see what I'm seeing in the fact that you put these two companies together. They're no longer competition, guys. They're going to have so much potential to grow. And I think that, these all-time highs being in the teens, put them together and add them together. And I think that's what you're going to get there. Something in the $20 range. It's very possible. So, I think this was a good strategic move on both their parts. And I can't wait to see how they trade tomorrow. But I did actually record another segment that just shows you real quickly what the trading prices were at that time, but since I just went over it here, I don't think it's necessary to show you that, because why bore you? Anyways, guys, pretty exciting news for people involved in Shift and LOTZ, or one or the other, and I'm looking forward to seeing what tomorrow's bringing, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your night. Take care now.